Hi, we're Joel and Lia.
And this video is all about Australian slang words and phrases that we find a little bit confusing.
Yeah.
But also a bit entertaining.
We love Australia. You guys, if you followed us for long enough, will know that we just love Australian accents. We're obsessed with Australia.
We always do it to each other, like the Aussie accent. It's just our little thing.
They have the best slang words.
I know. They're just a different breed of amazingness. Like, not like
of
amazingness.
Breed. Honestly.
Like, you've got to be careful what you say because you can't really say anything anymore online.
That's
so
true.
this is everything moving forwards that you see is all good. We do love Australia.
We do.
And this is all in jest.
And when we're laughing at stuff, it's
just
only because we love it. We love Australia and we love Australian words.
Exactly. We wouldn't make the video if we didn't.
No. And before we get started, just want to say a very quick thank you to Squarespace for sponsoring today's video.
We'll talk a little bit more about Squarespace and their features at the end of the video, but for now, do know that our discount code is at the top line of our description, and we've got 10% off with Joel and Lia on hosting and domains, whatever it is you need. Keep watching to the end of the video to find out more.
Let's crack on with these Australian phrases and slang.
Australian slang, the first one is the combination of yeah nah and nah yeah. So yeah nah is like no.
Yeah.
Yeah, N-A-H, nah. Yeah nah is no. And nah yeah is yeah.
So it's whatever the last word is, that's what it means. That's so confusing. Yeah, nah yeah.
No, yeah. I mean, to be fair to Australia, I think Brits do it as well, where they go, no, yeah.
Yeah.
No, yeah.
Yeah, no.
It's like, no, yeah, you're right. Yeah, no, you're right. And
it's true.
Perhaps someone who's not Australian or English would be like, are you saying yes or no?
Yeah. One answer, please.
Yeah. I swear no other language. Well, I wouldn't know,
maybe.
But do that.
Yeah, I don't know.
Like in Greek, you definitely wouldn't be like, ochi nah.
Yeah.
Nochi nah, you know. Yeah, like, it would just be so weird.
So weird.
It'd be so weird.
It is weird that we do that, yeah, even in British English, where like people be on the phone and be like, no, yeah, no, yeah. No, yeah.
It's like it's just another sound, isn't it?
It's so weird.
But the Aussie one's hilarious. Yeah, nah.
Yeah, nah. Nah, yeah.
Nah, yeah. Yeah.
Wow, that is quite confusing.
Sorry, I just made it sound like that, and it was my hand. It was not my bum. You can never make the sound again.
Yes, it was. I can smell that.
Oh, guys, I wish there was smell-o-vision. I promise.
I'm glad they don't have smell-o-vision.
I know. Oh gosh.
So the next one is fair dinkum.
To me, that sounds like those American. It sounds like a little squidgy, spongy bar with goo in the middle. It sounds like a chocolate bar.
That's a very specific chocolate bar.
Yeah, like Twinkies. It reminds me of Twinkie
fair
dinkum because it's got a K in it.
Fair twinkdom.
Fair twinkdom.
I don't know. It's a weird one.
Fair
dinkum.
Fair dinkum.
Because we'd say that's. Does it mean that's okay? Or
fair enough?
Fair enough. Yeah. So we'd say fair enough or fair if you're like fair.
Fair dinkum.
So I could probably guess, but what's dinkum?
Dinkum sounds like you got good dinkums up there.
Dinkum.
Yeah, you good dinkum.
Yeah, good dinkums.
I'm making it all up.
I don't know. It's very weird.
Dinkum.
Fair dinkum.
What do you dink instead of think?
What do you think? So what do you think?
Do you concur?
Very weird.
Yeah. Joel, tell the audience what you think. No, it's so weird.
Fair dinkum.
So the next one's not necessarily a phrase, but it's just the adding a Y on loads of like words. So cutesy language like bicky, chocky, chocky bicky, facey instead of Facebook.
It's so good. I mean, we do this, like you said, Brekkie is something that most Brits would say, we say.
I say it annoys people.
Yeah.
It annoys people. Oh, what's your for Brekkie? Like, there's actually videos on YouTube where my boyfriend and his best friend are like, can you stop abbreviating everything?
I mean, I think it's ingenious.
Avo for Brekkie?
Avo for Brekkie. Yeah. That's good.
That's so Aussie.
But when they take, I mean, we were joking earlier, because apparently for Christmas presents they say Chrissy Prizzy. Like, I'm just on Facey looking for Chrissy Prizzy. Oh my gosh.
Honey, what do you want from Facey Marky Placey? For your Chrissy Prezzies? Do you want a Chocky Bicky?
Why do they add Y's to everything?
So silly.
But I love it as well, like, because it sounds really endearing when Australians say it.
Yeah, it is endearing. It's a bit cutesy.
Yeah.
And I can't imagine, because not many males in my life are like cutesy. I just can't imagine the male Australians saying it. I know it's a big. Do you want a chocky bicky?
You want a chocky bicky for your Chrissy Prizzy?
I just think it comes across so camp.
Oh, it's good fun.
Chocky Bicky.
Yeah,
it's
chocky
fantastic.
Bicky. But yeah, we might say, do you want a bit of choc? But we wouldn't necessarily. Oh, maybe some people say chocky.
Chocky.
Or some chocky. But no, I'd say choc.
Facey.
Facey,
instead of facey. Facey B.
We say Facey B. Or Starry B instead of Starbucks.
Starry B's.
Yeah.
I even put a Z on it because I'm chav.
Yeah, Starry B's. Starry B's.
But it's like a code. Like you've got to figure out through the code what someone's saying.
Yeah.
Do you want to eat chocky Bicky? I mean, I'm taking it too far now. Do you want to eat
We could take this too far.
Yeah, we could do it with everything.
Yeah.
Like, we could talk to each other in Aussie, but put a Y on everything.
Yeah. So the next one is the word root. My voice cracked during that.
Root.
Root.
As in American route.
No.
No, R-O-O-T.
R-O-O-T, and it's not the root of a plant.
Is it Rooty?
What's that?
I'm just putting a Y on everything.
Rooty. It would be funny if it was Rudy.
What's the Rooty of that?
No, to root someone means have sex with them. Like if you want to root someone, you want to sleep with them, which I think is vile. Just the thought of being like, oh, I want to root them.
That's actually ghastly.
Yeah, isn't it?
That is revolting.
To root.
I rooted a girlie.
Or it's because I'm just imagining. I'm just imagining like roots just like spreading through soil, and it just freaks me out.
Very dinky. Rooty the dinky.
You want a Rooty?
Do you want a Rooty Pooty with my dinky winky? It's just so ridiculous.
Let me first get a chocky bicky.
Let me get a chocky bicky, and then me and you can Rooty Pooty.
And that's your Chrissy Prizzy.
And you can suck on my dinky winky.
Oh my gosh, it's the so
it's just outrageous.
Anyway, root is just
root for the SEX.
Yeah.
Lol, I can't say
not
that.
Good.
No, awful.
Yeah, not good.
Hang on a minute, I'm just gonna get a tinny.
Okay, go on.
Genuinely am.
I'm gonna have a sippy.
Gulpy wulpy. It's just too cutesy.
Yeah.
Anyway, I'm sure Australians are not actually like this. This is quite rude actually.
Maybe. It's alright. It's all meant in good fun. We love Australians. Anyone that knows us in real life will know that's true because we always speak in Australian accents.
Always, as a code in every text we get.
In every possible place. Seriously. And once, I remember we were in LA and the question we always got asked in LA by Uber drivers was, Australian? British? And then one time we went, Australian. And the funny thing is, we didn't even necessarily need to put an Australian accent because most Americans can't tell the difference between a British or Australian accent.
It's fantastic that he was like, I could tell straight away.
Yeah, he was like, oh, I knew it.
Yeah, I just did it in the wrong accent. Yeah, so were we in like Texas? Was like,
oh yeah, maybe it was Texas.
And it was like really,
he was like, let me guess. No, this is how I'm doing it. He was like, let me guess. Australian? And we were like, yeah. And he was like, I knew it. I knew it. And we were like, yeah.
No, you didn't.
It's just a little bit of fun.
Playing along. It's like when we go into our favourite restaurant, Nando's. I say restaurant, it's just a food place. And their first question they always ask is it your first time here? And I always went, no. And Joel went, yeah. And then we have to pretend. And then they're like,
we did it at the same time.
So the way it works, we said yes or no at the same time. And then I was like, his first time, many times.
So then she explained to me how Nando's worked, and I don't know why, because it was a waste of everyone's time. I was just like, why did I say, yes, this is my first time?
It's just good fun,
just like messing around with people.
Just like play against the norm.
Yeah, just keep it interesting.
Like our bodies as people, we like to do the norm. Like we like to go and sit on the same part of the room where we always sit. Just go and sit somewhere else.
Yeah, for fun.
Just do something against
I mean, we don't have a lot to do, guys. We have to entertain ourselves.
I know. Walk the other way.
Yeah.
Take the other round.
Do it. Too much. Okay, so the next one is sook.
What on earth is that?
S-O-O-K. Sook.
Like suck on a dummy.
Stop being such a sook. No, sook on a dummy. No, if you're a sook or you're being a sook.
Fun sucker.
No, it means you're sulking.
Oh.
So if you are being a sook, you're being a whinger or a whiner
Don't be a sook.
or I think maybe you can be sooking, maybe.
Or sooky with a Y.
Maybe.
Probably.
Maybe. But yeah, I thought that was really funny. Like, you're such a sook.
You're such a sooky Susan.
Sooky Susan.
Don't be. I feel like Jermaine Private School.
I know, literally, that's all I'm imagining. Like when she's quiche.
Yeah, quiche.
Yeah, quiche means like hot.
Quiche is, there's nothing better than quiche.
Yeah, honestly.
It just reminds me of, what's that thing we have made out of egg? Quiche. Oh, it's actually called the same thing. I never put the two together.
That's so funny. It just reminds me of that What's that
What's
thing
that thing called? Oh, it is quiche.
Quiche. Yeah, that's why it's funny, because she's taken like a random food.
Oh, I
so
never associated her saying quiche with quiche.
Yeah. Quiche.
I was like, it's its own thing. Like...
Your quiche.
Yeah, your quiche.
Yeah.
But quiche is funny.
Quiche is really
even
good.
funnier.
Okay, another one.
Yeah.
Ripper.
Rip tabs.
No.
Ripper.
But thank you for looking at me when you said that.
Rip tabs?
Yeah.
Like your
rip tabs? Yes, thank you.
Yes, I do have them.
Yes.
Yes, thank you. In the making.
In progress.
Ripper. Someone who tears up the town, like, Ripper, I'm going out. Ripper.
No, you're bloody Ripper.
Yeah. Bloody Ripper. Oh, stripper.
Yeah.
You joking?
No, it doesn't. No, Ripper means great. Like, something's really great. It's like, oh, Ripper.
Ripper. That one's ridiculous.
Yeah. It's a bloody Ripper. Like, I remember them saying it on Neighbours, like, maybe, like, surfer dudes would be, like, on a really cool wave, and they'd be like, it's a Ripper. Meaning, like, it's really good. But surely Ripper and Rapper sound very similar. So,
rapper is in
like,
finger.
rapper, yeah. And, like, saying Ripper is probably the same as rapper, but in a New Zealand accent, in a Kiwi accent.
Yeah, go on.
I don't know. Ripper. He's a Ripper. No. I don't know, I'm not an expert, but anyway.
That's fantastic.
I find it funny.
That is great. Yeah, so having a really great time. That's really great.
Really great.
Fantastic.
Like this video, it's a ripper.
This video is a ripper.
It's a ripper.
It's an absolute ripper. We'd say corker. What a corker.
What a corker.
Oh, what a good corker.
Yeah, that is true. Corker.
Alright, the last one. This
hilarious.
one's ridiculously...
It's like a follow-on from the Chrissy Prizzies, Chalky Bickies, Facey.
Exy. Instead of...
Exy.
Expensive? That's really exy.
Nah, that's really exy.
Exy. We could say that as code in England because shopkeepers wouldn't know.
No.
That exy
Yeah,
means
we should
expensive.
do it. Oh, it's a bit exy.
Oh, I don't know if we will. Or just, we should do it when we're in our Nando's and we're making our order and we're like, oh, that looks nice, but it's a bit exy. It's a bit exy. It's a bit out of my budget. It's a bit exy.
No, I like that, exy.
It's like sexy really without there.
Yeah, exy. Everything about you so exy.
You don't even know what you got.
So yeah, exy, that's the last
funny.
one.
That is funny.
It's weird.
I mean, I know we said these words are confusing, but I think what we meant more is entertaining.
Entertaining, yeah.
Australian slang that Brits find hilarious.
I think it has the best slang in the world, Australia.
Yeah, it is fun.
Why? But why? What made the Australian people make up words that are so entertaining?
Yeah.
And better than any other English-speaking country?
It's just their personality. They've got it. Yeah. They've got something.
Amazing.
They've got it.
I love it.
One clap for Australia.
3, 2, 1. There we go. Oh, sippy.
Thank you so much for watching this video. We hope you guys enjoyed it.
Mm-hmm.
We do want to talk a little bit about Squarespace. So Squarespace, who we're working with and have worked with before, are an amazing, probably the best platform for building your own website. It's so simple, so easy, and everything is laid out for you. It couldn't be simpler. So if you're someone who wants to have a website, but you haven't started because websites are too difficult to make, or you're not very good at design, Squarespace is for you.
Yeah. It's
Tell
not an
them,
excuse, honestly.
That is no
Squarespace
excuse.
is so easy. I'm stupid, guys. I'm thick. I can't handle making a website. Yeah, you are.
We're dumb and
honestly,
dumber.
we've made websites before with competitors. We're not going to mention who they are because they're not worth mentioning.
They're not worth it.
Honestly, it was so hard. Like, different bits of coding and things like that. Squarespace take all of that away and you literally choose your own templates. They talk you through each little bit, like guide you through. It's like foolproof. It's idiot proof.
They're blogging tools that post on Facebook and all your other social media. So do check it out. There's so many good features. Get your whole online presence aligned and you'll feel amazing for it.
You will.
Do it for 2020.
Do it, and it's free to give it a go if you want to just play around. If you're not sure if you want to do it or not, you just make a website for free. And then if you want to go ahead and publish it, then you can buy the domain with our 10% off code and the hosting, and you're set. You're
set, really. Good to go. So that'll all be in the top line of our description. Hope you enjoy.
Yeah, but thank you for watching this video. If you enjoyed it, then please like and subscribe. We post videos twice weekly.
And we will see you guys in the next one. Don't forget to press the notification bell so you get a little ping on your phone every time we upload.
And check out our other 2 channels. We've got personal channels as well. Leah Hatsakis.
Content everywhere.
Content everywhere. It's constant, guys.
It's constant.
It's constant. You're
Joel's
constantly
got a dog.
I've got a dog. You've got a new hairstyle.
I've got a hair. I've got the hair.
You've got the hair.
You got the dog.
Yeah, honestly, what's not to like?
Okay, guys, we'll see you soon.
See you later. Bye.